வெல்கம் டு சுதந்திரா ஆரிஸ் சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இங்கிலீஷ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் அ ப்ரேயர் டு த டீச்சர். இந்த பாடத்தில் இருக்கிற புக் பேக் கொஸ்டின்ஸை தான் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். விச் இஸ் த ரோல் ஆஃப் அ ஃபார்மர் இன் சொசைட்டி? டிஸ்கஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர். Farmer plays a central role in our society. He supplies everyone's basic need. He is a man in God who saves our life. When you grow up, what do you want to become? Why? I want to become a teacher because I want to serve this society with the help of my profession. Which of these statements do you find in the speech? Inclusion is essential for us to do well in life. Communicate politely with the less privileged. Teachers teach us to communicate well. Read the statements. Tick the correct words. You can tick more than one. We should develop the ability to learn from others' books. Teachers help me to learn dash things, new things, difficult things. Teach me to appreciate nature, small creatures. We should learn to ask questions. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two. What is inclusion? Why is it important? Inclusion is valuing everyone irrespective of differences. It is very important for us to do well in life. What is good or effective communication? A good communication is to communicate what we truly feel. What should we learn from our teachers? We should learn the value of inclusion to communicate effectively, learn to learn the interconnected nature of things, to question and the power of silence from the teachers. What kind of learning brings joy to you? Learning new ways of learning brings joy to us. In what ways are we doing injustice to nature? We cut down trees, kill small creatures by using fertilizers and pesticides and cause urban decay with consumerism. In these ways, we are doing injustice to nature. What do you need to learn to live a good life in this world? To live a good life in this world, we have to learn the value of inclusion. How does the ability to question help us? The ability to question help us establish a better order of things and learn to be accountable. What do you think are the two most important lessons that the speaker mentions? I think the two most important lessons that the speaker mentions are the value of inclusion and the ability to communicate. Answer the following questions in detail. What are the skills or values a teacher should teach their students to live in this competitive world? Teachers should teach their students the value of inclusion. They should teach them to communicate what we feel effectively. They should show them how we destruct our environment. They should teach them that nature services are completely free. They should teach them both to be silent and to raise our voice to protect the truth. They should teach them to develop a world view or things. They should teach them not to treat the human beings as foreigners. What kind of a life do you want to lead in this world? I want to lead a life that is useful to everyone. I want to learn the value of inclusion and respect others. I want to learn to communicate what I feel. I wish to learn to ask questions. With the lessons my teachers teach me, I can lead a responsible life. Match the suitable prefix and suffix to create new words of your own. One has been done for you. Root word, prefix or suffix, new word. Farm, confirm. Patriot, patriotism. Diverse, diversity. Slaved, enslaved. Animate, inanimate. Consumer, consumerism. Naked, nakedness. Refer to your dictionary. Add a prefix or suffix to the following words and find their antonyms. Privileged, underprivileged. Animate, inanimate. Discriminate, indiscriminate. Empty, non-empty. Communicate, excommunicate. Learn, unlearn. Listen to the story and fill in the blanks by selecting the right option. Raj was upset as he had done poorly in his English test. His grandmother gave him a pencil. Granny compared Raj with a pencil. Raj's pain of not doing well in his test was compared with sharpening of pencils. Raj understood that failures are stepping stones to success.